we got to get together on at least the basic facts here. On immigration reform, top Senate Democrats are now working on a Democrat-only immigration bill. Texas Republican Congressman Michael Burgess says this partisan push has less to do with border security and everything to do with minorities voting Democrat this November. Now, I'm telling you, Congressman, that too could be a very cynical view. You really think so?
Neil, the fact is that bringing this issue forward right now, I mean, the pot is still boiling here over the health care bill. Now we've thrown the financial regulatory bill into the mix where bipartisanship still suffers, and now we're going to throw immigration reform into the mix, and it is a Democrat-only bill. That's just on the face of it, that it looks very suspect. Look,
so you don't anticipate, Congressman, you'll get any, or they'll get any Republican support for something that at face value is just really appealing to, what, a core base of theirs, or what?
Well, of course they're not going to get any, they're not likely to get bipartisan support if they just go at it from a Democratic perspective. I mean, that's what they found on the health care bill. That's what they're very likely going to end up with on the financial bill. So yeah, if it's a go-it-alone mentality, then by all means, do bear in mind that there is a certain amount of legislative fatigue here on the Hill with members on their side who've taken so many tough votes for their leadership. They're just not of a mind to get into
well, you're
another
right. But Congressman, you know
spat.
what prompted this action in Arizona? I don't care where people stand on this immigration law.
Right, it was the loss of life on the border.
It was also that the argument that you and your colleagues sort of dropped the ball and forced them into this. Do you think that that's the case? That had you guys been more vigilant, they wouldn't be in this position?
Absolutely. They took the responsibility that rightly belonged at the federal level, but since there was a vacuum of leadership at the federal level, the people of Arizona did what they thought was necessary after a very high-profile and brutal murder on a ranch down in southern Arizona. But no, I don't fault Arizona at all for reacting the way they did. The difficulty with enforcement, of course, goes back to the administration of George W. Bush. Those of us in the Texas delegation begged him to come and talk to us about reestablishing some credibility with the federal government on border issues, and enforcement was going to have to be first.
We didn't, did we, Congressman? We didn't.
No, we did not.
And around we go. Sir, thank you very, very much. Always appreciate it.
I appreciate it, Neil. Thank you.